Today's DIY is ocean theme headdress. To begin with, we need a wide headband, preferably black. Draw an arc pattern in the center of the paper. Fold it before cutting to make sure the pattern is balanced. Try it on the head to check the fit. If okay, trace the paper pattern into cardboard or use the folder. At the inner side of the arc, cut several notches about 1 cm from the edges. Fold the notches just like this, then attach it to the headband. I accidentally cut the notches on this side, so we'll fix that later. Just glue it on. So here, if we expand the headband, the arc will just follow. Trace the paper pattern on a fabric. I use satin fabric and cut two, one for the front and the other is for the back. Now glue the fabric to cover the arc. I use B-Thick 6000. Cover the front and the back. After covering it, we can now design our headdress with this. So line the arc edges using these blue trimmings. At the back of the headdress, glue the glittered leaves. These are just ornaments for a Christmas tree, so you can basically put anything you want as long as it matches your theme or outfit. To ensure adhesion, put some weight. Once dry, add something like this to cover the base. There. That's the back. Next, proceed to designing the front part with gems or flat beads, etc. And glue it using the B6000. And it's done. Hi.
Hello.
Thank you for watching. Bye.